Hey, what's up, guys? Brian and Kenya Horton here.
Hey guys.
All right, so we got something exciting for you guys. We are going to be talking to you about a growth compound plan, just to kind of better help you in your trading strategies, and and just to get an overall.
Especially if you're trading a small account.
There you go. There you go. So let me just ask a question. How many of you guys have traded a small account? You blew it, have no clue what's going on, no particular strategy at all. So that's one of the best things that the reason why we're actually bringing this to you is because we took all the guesswork out of everything, and we want to just kind of show you how we actually trade with the compound.
Yes. So like Brian said, I mean, you're probably using a compound growth plan and maybe you find yourself getting ahead, like you traded a few days and then suddenly you have big losses. Like your losses are bigger than your wins. You're not following money management rules. You feel all over the place. Guys, we've been there and it was I'm not gonna lie, it was frustrating for me as a beginning trader. And the problem that I think exists with a lot of these compound plans that we see is that there's no guidance. There's no real guidance. There's no guidance on money management and actual strategy implementation plan to how to successfully go about it day by day. So I'm going to share with you, Brian and I are going to share with you exactly how I was able to take a $44 account and turn it into $450 in 30 days, roughly $450, which I think is impressive because we don't want to focus on money. We really want to help traders focus on trading well. You have to
Strategy and consistency.
Yeah, like I gotta be honest that we just have a problem in this marketplace where too many marketers are really not setting the proper expectations. And trading is awesome. I think more people can be successful if they started out correctly. So while you can trade a $44 balance or a small account, I'm not recommending that you do because the more capital you have, the more you can do. But imagine if you can be successful with a small account, you can do greater things with a big account, with a larger account. So I'm going to go ahead and share the growth compound plan with you really quickly and just kind of go over quickly what it is. I'm going to show you proof of my live account, one of my accounts. I intentionally did this for you all because this is actually overdue, but we just been so busy, guys, and I promised I would do this. So I actually just did this for 30 days and was like, I'm going to show this proof. So this is a growth compound plan. And basically what a compound plan is it measures growth, like growth of your money over a period of time, over multiple periods of time. So you can start with a particular balance and you gradually grow that account with a particular strategy over time. So I'm going to show you a sample plan really quickly of how you can, basically input numbers and it does everything for you. So
automatically.
How much should we start with?
Let's start off with, let's just say 75.
Okay, so let's do a $75 balance. And let's say we're going to compound it at 3% a day. We're going to be very conservative. And one of the things that I love, guys, is that when I was doing this initially, one of my main challenges was risk management. I'll be real with you. I just did not know how to manage risk. I was trying so hard to figure it out, and it was just really hard for me. So now I have I have a few strategies and things that I use to really leverage the market, which I break down in the manual, and it's very powerful. So trading a $75 balance at 3%, and you'll see even if you change the percentage, let's say if you wanted to do 5%, okay? You can change it to 5%. Ooh, not that, hold on. Let's go back, let's do 4%. So the numbers will automatically calculate for you.
Right.
So basically on day one, if you start with a $75 balance, your goal is to make $3 in profit. And when you make that $3, your balance should then be $78, okay? All of this over here, the features of this, it can be complicated. I break that down in the manual, the training manual on how to use the compound plan with an action plan, okay? But now I want to just quickly show you exactly what I did. So I started with a $44.55 account, $44.55, compounding it at 7% daily. This is my take profit levels over here, but I traded this with a strategy, and I'm going to go more, that's in the manual that's broken down, but I add dates. So as you can see, August the 6th was the actual first day that I started trading the account, okay? And my ending balance right here is $443.49, which you're going to see matches my MetaTrader 4, all right? So I took this very small balance, did 7% daily, and these are the days that I pretty much traded. So you'll see this reflected on my live account. And you'll see that some days I actually, like day one, my goal was to make $3.12. I only made 95 cents. So some days you're not going to meet your goal, and that's okay, because remember, we want to take the focus off of making money. We want to focus on trading well and really having an edge in the market. And that's what I love about the growth compound plan. It's going to help you do that. And guys, the power of 10 cents a pip is very powerful. It is very powerful. So when you trade it right and with the tools and everything that I'm giving you, I am confident that you'll get results. But this is going to help you be consistent, disciplined. Like Brian saw you, you can tell him, like he saw me actually take this account. I was like, I really want to do this. And he saw me get up in the middle of the night and trade my other account and go into this account and just quickly make, you know, whatever I was trying to make with it. So this is just a sample. So now I'm going to show you, I'm actually going to show you my MetaTrader 4. So I'm going to show you my MetaTrader 4. And just remember, my ending balance is 443.49. And let's go to my history. And I'm going to go to August the 6th, which is my start date. Okay. So let me do my airplay.
And one of the things I like about this is that when you get into a routine, this forces you into a routine, which will make it a habit. And once you having a habit, you can, the sky's the limit.
Right. Okay, guys, so let's look at my MetaTrader 4, and you'll see I'm going to go to August 6th, which is where I started. And remember, I told you my goal was like $3 and what was it? 12 cents or so. Let me get rid of this. So my goal was $3.12. I actually made 95 cents. So 8.6, which is right about up in here. Okay. So you'll see just adding that, and you'll see I started out with 0.01 lot size. All right. So you're going to see that I mainly use 0.01 lot size, but you have to remember I've been trading for some time and I have an edge in the market and a strategy that works, which I share with all of you, Kenya's instant scalping strategy, KISS. So as you'll see, I have a string of wins, and notice in my account that I do have some losses. So let me scroll and you will see some losses, but notice that majority of my trades, my wins are a lot larger than my losses, and that's what your account should reflect.
Right.
Okay, so you'll see there that I have a few losses. You see that on GBP USD, and then I was able to make that up a little bit later with a few profits. So the great thing is that even though I had losses, I came out with wins that were greater than my losses, and I didn't have to record a negative loss on my compound sheet. So you're going to see that I don't even have any losses on my compound sheet. I have all wins on my compound sheet because my wins are greater than my losses. So you'll see, for example, on day, what was it, 20, let's look at day 26. So day 26, my goal was to make $16.93. And let's go to, what day was that? Day 26. Hold on, let me just move this over. So day 26 was September 12th. So let's go to September 12th. I'm looking at my phone. And you'll see on September 12th, you can see I had a pretty big win from Euro USD. I also had a win from USD JPY. So if you add up all of those totals, that comes to 68.12 or so. And then this is my ending balance, $443.49. Okay, that's a live account. I intentionally did this for you guys. So I want to just, give you confidence and show you that this works. Everything that we're doing, that we do, Brian's more of a long-term trader. I'm more of a short-term scalper, intraday trader.
And that's the thing, you have to do what works for you. But this compound plan is simply to get you into a routine so you can be profitable. And don't worry about the losses, because that comes, and the losses are there for you to learn from it. However, you want to make sure, and when you're profiting, that your profits are higher than your losses. You never want to profit so many and then your losses will wipe out the entire profits that you've done.
Right, and you're probably questioning exactly how I did this. So one of the things I do want to point out is that you have to have a proven edge. You have to have a strategy that works. And I see a lot of traders are trading and they don't fully understand the strategy that they're using, and that's how they're losing their money in a live account. So you don't want to do that. So I'll walk you through that. Through the strategies that I've created. Make sure you join our Telegram, follow along, if you don't have confidence in what you're doing or in what I'm doing, just watch me, guys. I prove that everything that I'm doing, like, I've been through the struggle. I've already gone through it. And I'm so thankful to God that I'm able to, I never imagined doing this. I didn't. I just wanted to be successful with trading, but this is something I thoroughly enjoy, and I'm eager to help other people get to where I am and beyond. So comment on this video if you have questions.
We try to answer all of them.
Yeah.
And we have the link in the description for the compound plan. So if you're curious, it's there. And then can you talk to them about?
Oh, also too, so this is my plan, because I am confident in what I'm doing, and Brian as well too, and we've just come a long way. I am going to trade live with all of you who do get the compound plan, okay? That's how serious I am. I'm confident. I'm going to trade live with you guys, so I'll be dropping information in Telegram for those of you who do have my strategy, or you can be using a different strategy as well too. But if you get the compound plan from our site, I am going to probably trade with you once or twice a week for, I'll put exactly the details of how we'll do this. My goal is to help you get results, and I'm going to do that. So yeah, comment on this video if you have any questions. We will see you in the next training. God bless you guys, and thanks for watching.
All right, guys.